told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Hello, this is Pia Orchids Garden USA. I'm going to show you one of my Phalaenopsis that I grow indoor right now. And this one is growing really well and growing in a clear plastic planter that I got from Amazon. And also it is growing on coconut hash chips. This is one of my favorite for my plants because my plants grow really well on this type of media. And this leaf right here, it's because it was exposed to the heat of the sun last summer, and also this one burned. So I cut it off and put ground cinnamon in it, and it is growing really well. Look at that, very healthy leaves except those two. But anyway, and also the other one also split, the leaves did, because it got hot and I left it outside last summer. But anyway, it is growing really well. This one I water once a week and fertilize once a month using the regular Miracle Grow Orchids fertilizer. And that's all I use, and I use it once a month. And I use the water from the sink, and it's been, all my orchids are doing really well with that type of water that I use. I don't have to use the mineral water bottles for them. They're doing just fine with the sink water. And also this one, as you can tell, see the stem right there, there is a bloom, and the bloom looks really amazing. Look at that, guys. Isn't that really beautiful? I just got it all cleaned. This most beautiful flower that is greenish, almost white, and light green flower. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. It looks like there's some bat or something in there. But anyway, it has 2 flowers. That's all it did this year. Actually, there's more, but it dropped out already. So there's 2 left. I thought I better video it before they're all gone. And it is so pretty. See right there, it got cut off right there. There were more bloom, but it got cut off because they're done blooming. So this is the 2 left. And I love this orchids. I mean, I love this orchid, and the flower looks so amazing. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that. It is so beautiful. There it is. It's got 2 eyes. Anyway, just want to show you. All right, thank you so much, and I hope you like this video. And like I said, water once a week, spray when it needed, because sometimes in the winter the heater gets so hot in here, and so I miss the roots at least once or twice, up to 3 times a week, because it gets really dry. Okay, so thank you so much.
The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.